Good morning, class 8. Today we will do algebraic expression and factorization part 2. In the previous video we have done addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression, and in this section we shall study the multiplication of algebraic expression. In the multiplication of algebraic expression we shall be using following rules of the sign. The product of two factors with same sign is positive, while the product of unlike signs is negative. Now for example, plus 3 plus 5 is plus 15. Now minus 3 into minus 5. These two are also like signs. We will cut down minus minus plus, and hence the answer will be plus 15. Now minus 3 into plus 5. My 3 5s are, we know that is 15. And minus plus is minus. Then again plus 3 into minus 5, that is again equal to minus 15. Right? Now what is the observation? The observation here is, if the signs are same, the answer is positive, whether these are negative signs or positive signs. If one sign is negative while other is positive, the answer will be negative sign. Okay. Now let's do multiplication of monomials. 4x into 7x y. Now just multiply the like terms. 4 into 7 into x into x. You can write x raised to power 1 for your convenience into y. Then 4 7s are 28. X raised to power 1 into x raised to power 1. Using laws of exponent, it will become x raised to power 2 and y. So 28 x square y is our answer. Now minus 8 over 5 x square y z cube into minus 3 over 5 x y square z. Now just again multiply the like terms. Minus 8 over 5 into minus 3 over 4. Cut down the negative signs. 4 2s are 8 and we will get 2 into 3, 6 upon 5. Now again x square into x. Using laws of exponent, it will become x cube. Then y into y square. Y raised to power 1 plus 2, y raised to power 3. Z raised to power 3 into z. It will become z raised to power 4. If there is product of three terms, then how we have to deal? Firstly, just keep this thing in your mind that we have to multiply each and every variable and each and every constant. So firstly, let us unite constants. 2 into minus 5 into 1 over 4 into x square into x into y cube. Now we have got three pairs of like terms. Now what we have got as an answer, cut down 2 by 4, minus 5 over 2. Since we are using here laws of exponent, so x, it will become x raised to power 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4. X raised to power 4 and y also raised to power 4. Now when we have to multiply a monomial with the bracketed expression, how we have to do? 3xy into 7xy plus 5y plus 1. Now this is the first number and it is going to be multiplied with every term that is inside the bracket. So 3xy into 7xy plus 3xy into 5y. I have circled the positive sign so that you may be able to differentiate between the terms, plus 3xy into 1. Now 3 into 7, it is 21. X into x, x raised to power 2. Y into y, again using laws of exponent, it will become y square. Plus 3 into 5, that is 15. Since there is no other x, we will write x as it is. Y into y, y raised to power 1 into y raised to power 1. Using laws of exponent, it will become y raised to power 2. Plus 3xy into 1, it is equal to 3xy, as 2 ones is equal to 2. So this is our required answer. Now class, let us do one more example on multiplication of monomial with the trinomial. 4 over 9 x square y into x square minus 3xy plus y square, brackets close. Now class, if there is no sign between the term and the bracket, it means there is sign of multiplication in it. Okay. Now 4 over 9 x square y will be multiplied with each term that is inside the bracket. So 4 over 9 x square y into x square minus 4 over 9 x square y into 3xy plus 4 over 9 x square y into y square. So 4 over 9 x square into x square, it will become x raised to power 4 y. Then minus 4 over 9 x square y into 3xy. 3 will get cancelled by 9. So it will become 4 over 3 now. X square into x. These are like terms. Using laws of exponent, it will become x raised to power 3. Y into y. It will become y square. Plus 4 over 9 x square y into y square. It will become y cube. Now class, multiplication of binomials. We are using again horizontal method. Horizontal method means solving the statement in one row. Now class, there are two brackets, a minus 4b into 4a minus b. Here what we are going to do, we are writing first term of the first bracket and then multiply the second bracket. We are going to multiply it by the second bracket, a into 4a minus b. Then writing the second term of the first bracket along with the sign, again writing the second bracket, so that each and every number is to be multiplied. A into 4a minus b minus 4b into 4a minus b. Now it will become a into 4a minus ab minus 4b into 4a minus minus plus 4b into b square. A into 4a, it will become, I have written it here by mistake. So it will become 4a square. Now these are like terms, but we will solve it later on. Minus ab minus 4 4s are 16ab plus 4b square. Now these are the like terms. 4a square, now minus ab minus 16ab. Even the signs are same. It means we are going to add up the numbers. So it will become minus 17ab plus 4b square. So this is the answer. Let us do one more example on multiplication of binomials. 3 over 4x minus y square into x plus 2 over 3 y square. Class, 3 over 4x, this is the first term of the first bracket. It is going to be multiplied with the entire second bracket. 3 over 4x into x plus 2 over 3 y square. Then write y square along with the sign minus y square and then the entire second bracket. So first number is going to be multiplied by the entire second bracket, and again second number of the, will be multiplied with the second bracket. So it will become 3 over 4 x into x plus 3 over 4 x into 2 over 3 y square minus y square into x. We can write y square x or xy square. Then minus plus minus 2 over 3 y square into y square. So here it will become 3 over 4 x square plus 3 will get cancelled, 3 upon 3 and 2 2s are 4. So it will become xy square upon 2 minus xy square minus 2 over 3 y square into y square will become y raised to power 4. Here it will become now 3 over 4 x square. Now these are two like terms. So taking out like term as common, it will become 1 over 2 minus 1 minus 2 over 3 y raised to power 4. Then 3 over 4 x square plus xy square. Taking out 2 as LCM, 1 minus 2 minus 2 over 3 y raised to power 4. So 3 over 4 x square plus xy square, it will become minus 1 over 2 minus 2 over 3 y raised to power 4. And then the final answer will be 3 over 4x square minus plus is minus xy square upon 2 minus 2 over 3 y raised to power 4. So this is the answer. Let us do multiplication of binomials using column method. In the first bracket it's m square plus n square into m square minus n square. Write the first expression and then just write the second expression. Now here this first number will be multiplied with the first expression. M square into m square, that will become m raised to power 4 plus m square into n square, it will become m square n square. For your convenience you can do like this, m square into m square plus n square. You can use here horizontal work in horizontal way, but in rough work it will become m raised to power 4 plus m square n square. Now you can write it over here, m raised to power 4 plus m square n square. Then taking out the second term minus n square. Now write minus n square into m square plus n square. But what will be the answer? Minus n square into m square will be minus n square m square. And minus n square plus n square, it will become minus n raised to power 4. Now just write like term below the like term minus n raised to power 4. Now m raised to power 4, it will get cancelled since this is a plus m square n square and this is minus m square n square. So my answer m raised to power 4 minus n raised to power 4 is the final answer. Multiplication using column method once again for the binomials. 2 over 7l minus 1 over 4m into 2 over 7l minus 1 over 4m. Here you are seeing that the both the brackets having same terms and same sign. We could have used here a minus b whole square formula, but since he has said do the product by using column method, so here I am using column method. So 2 over 7 l minus 1 over 4m into 2 over 7l minus 1 over 4m. Firstly, taking up the first expression of the first term of the second expression, we will multiply it with the first expression. 2 over 7 into 2 over 7, it will become 2 2s are 4, 7 7s are 49, l into l square, that is equal to 49 l square. For some of the students who are not understanding it, for their convenience, you can use here 2 over 7l and then 2 over 7l minus 1 over 4m. It is for your convenience, you can do it in rough work. That is 2 over 7l into 2 over 7n minus 2 over 7l into 1 over 4m. Since 2 over 7l will be multiplied by 1 over 4m also. So 2 2s are 4, 7 7s are 49 l square minus 2 will get cancelled by 4 minus 1 upon 14 ln. So in the first line we will write 4 upon 49 l square minus 1 over 14 ln. And same treatment will be done for the second term. Minus 1 over 4m will be multiplied by 2 over 7l. It will become 2 upon 14 and 2 and 4 will cut down. So it will become 1 upon 14 lm. Just see how. For your convenience, I am doing here 1 upon 4m into 2 over 7l minus 1 over 4m. So 1 over minus 1 over 4m into 2 over 7l minus 1 over 4m into minus 1 over 4m. So 2 and 4 will get cancelled. It will become minus 1 over 14 ml minus minus plus. It will become 1 over 16 m square. So class, here I'll write 1 over 14 lm like terms. You have to write like term below the like term, and since 1 over 16 m square is not having any like term over here, so I'll write here separately, plus 1 over 16 m square. Now what I am going to get as my answer? 4 upon 49 L square minus 1 over 14 and minus 1 over 14, both are having same sign. So I will just add up. Minus 1 over 14, I will take out minus as common and lm also as common. So I am going to get minus 2 upon 14 lm, which is equal to 1 over 7. So minus 1 over 7 lm plus 1 over 16 m square. Just you can solve it for your use any method for your convenience. Minus 1 over 14 lm and minus 1 over 14, since both are having like signs, so you have to add. It will become 2 over 14 and same denominator. So you can add up straight away also. It will become minus 2 over 14 and then just cut down. It will become minus lm. Minus 1 over 7 lm over here. So your answer is 4 over 49 L square minus 1 over 7 lm plus 1 over 16 m square. Start. Now class, multiply the trinomials and verify the result for a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 1. Class, here 3a plus 2b plus c into 2a square minus 5ab plus b square. I have written 1, 2, 3. It means first entire term is to be multiplied by the second bracket. Then second entire bracket is to be multiplied by the second bracket. And then third bracket is to be multiplied by, third term will be multiplied by the second bracket. Okay. Now class, 3a into 2a square minus 5ab plus b square. Then plus 2b into 2a square minus 5ab plus b square. So 3a when multiplied by 2a square, it will give us 6a cube minus 3a into 5ab. 3 5s are 15. A into a will become a square b. Then 3a plus 3a multiplied by plus b square, it will become plus 3ab square. Now class, second bracket plus 2b into 2a square minus 5ab plus b square. It will become 4a square b. 2 2s are 4. A square into b will become a square b. Now here these two are like terms. We will solve it later on. Then 2b into 5ab. 2 5s are 10. Write here sign firstly, plus minus minus. It is 10ab square. So here again we are getting like terms. Plus 2b into b square. So that is 2b into 2b square will become 2b cube. Now plus c. C into 2a square, it will become 2a square c minus 5ab into c, it will become 5abc plus b square into c, it will become b square c. So we will solve like terms. 6a cube minus 15a square b minus 4a square b, it will become minus 11a square b. Then 3 plus 3ab square minus 10ab square, it will become minus 7ab square. Rest all our other terms are unlike terms, so we will write like as it is, plus 2b cube plus 2a square c minus 5abc plus b square c. So here class, putting up the value, a is equal to minus 1. 6 into minus 1 cube. Since power is odd, so it will become 6 into minus 1, which will be equal to minus 6. Coming up to the second term, 11 into a square. A is equal to -1 and B is equal to 2. Now class, since power is even, so negative sign will be converted into positive. -1 will become +1. So 11 into 2 into 1, it will become -22. Then the next one, -7a square b. B square, sorry. 7a is -1 and b square, that is equal to 2 square. So it will become minus plus 7 into 4. That is equal to 7 4s are 28. Then the simple one, 2b cube. 2 into 2 cube. It will become, 2 cube is 8. 2 into 8, it will become +16. Then the next number is equal to +2a square c, where a is -1 whole cube square and c is equal to 1. Now class, here we are going to get as 2 into -1 square, again power is even, so it will become 2 into 1. So the next number is 2 into 1, that is equal to 2. So the next one is -5abc. 5 into -1, what is b? 2. What is c? 1. Minus will become plus. 5 into 2 is 10. Then the last expression is b square c. That one is, I'll write here, b square is 2 square and c is 1. Okay. Now 10, 2 square is 4. I'll write here plus 4. Then now just add up the terms. -6 minus 22, it will become -28. Then 28 plus 16 plus 2 plus 10 plus 4, all these terms are positive terms. Now 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. 32 plus 28, it is equal to 60. So my answer is 10 minus 8 is equal to 2 and 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Final answer is 32 over here. Okay class, now let us do one more example on the multiplication. It's the multiplication of the trinomial with the polynomial. 2x square minus 5x plus 1 into 7x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 2. Here I have written 1, 2, 3, means first term to be multiplied by the entire of the second bracket, second term will be multiplied by the entire of the second bracket, and third term will be multiplied by the entire of the second bracket. So 2x square into 7x cube minus 5x square plus 3x plus 2. Second number along with sign, minus 5x entire of the second bracket plus 1 entire of the second bracket. So when it is going to be multiplied, 2x square into 7x cube, 2 7s are 14x square into cube, it is power 5. Now 5 into 2 is 10. X square into x square, it will make x raised to power 4. Then plus 2 into 3, 6. X square into x is x cube. 2x square into 2 is 4x square. Then minus 5 into 7, 35. X cube into x is x raised to power 4. Just think that there is a negative sign in front of the bracket, so you have to change the signs, all the signs which are inside the bracket. So minus plus 5 5s are 25x cube. Then minus plus minus and 5 3s are 15x into x, 15x square. Then plus minus 5 2s are 10x. Then plus 1. Since we know that 1 7s are 7 and 1 2s are 2. So 1 into this entire bracket will be the same bracket. We have to write the same terms as it is, and there is positive sign in front of the bracket, so we will not change any of the signs. Minus 5x square plus 3x plus 2. So what we are going to do, now we will unite the like terms. Since 14x raised to power 5, there is no other term with x raised to power 5, so we will write down as it is. Now minus 10x square and minus 35x square. We will just unite these terms. Minus 10x raised to power 4 minus 35x raised to power 4. Then 6x cube plus 25x cube and plus 7x cube. Then plus 4x square. Write all the terms which are having x square. 4x square minus 15x square and minus 5x square. Then terms containing x, that are plus 3x and minus 10x. And the last term is 2, which is unlike. So the final answer is 14x raised to power 5, 10x square and 10x raised to power 4 and 35x raised to power 4. Both are having same sign. So we will add up the terms. 35 and 10 will become 45x raised to power 4. Since both are negative terms, we will write negative sign here. Then x cube, all terms are having positive sign. So we will simply add up the sign, add up the terms and write positive sign over here. Now 25 plus 6 is 31. 31 plus 7 is 38x cube. Then 4 and 15 and 5 both are having same signs. Minus 15 minus 5 is minus 20. Minus 20 plus 4 is equal to minus 16x square. Now minus 10x plus 3x, it will become minus 7x plus 2. That's the final answer.